Hello, welcome to Riva's Radical Rides, YouTube's finest gasoline.
Welcome back to another edition of Riva's Radical Rides, where today I'm doing some welding and some plasma cutting, and I got short sleeve over there with a Zero. He's, if you guys check his channel out, he's working on his XC800. His pipe's all fucked up. I just made a new flange for it. Thing is pretty. My awesome fabrication skills. If you guys don't like it, you suck my balls. Alright, now I'm going to record making of the back piece. Yeah. There's your, the old piece. The pipe just chews into them. These XCs are bad for that. If any of you guys have any. But yeah. Looks good. Okay, now we're going to measure out what we need. I'm going to cut this right off. Gonna put a new piece and shape it all up. Alright. This video, by the way, is for Gordy's 40s. He's been asking me to do videos on my welding machines and whatnot. So today I'm going to do a little video on the plasma cutter and the MIG welder. Alright. For a plasma cutter to work, it takes an air source and a filtered air source. You can't just run off. You need a water separator because it'll fuck up your tips. I got a Power Max 1200, 1250. This thing's good to cut up to 3/4 of an inch, like real easy, real clean. You get an inch, but you got to take your time with it. It's really a little bit overkill for what I do, but why not have a good machine right off the hop? So what we're going to do is we're going to cut that piece, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. Alright. What'd you say I need 7 inches and what?
7 and 64.
7 inches is good.
Be exact.
Alright, so the flange that we're building to go inside the muffler right here, off the end of the pipe into this muffler. So I took the width, I did the pie trick, we ate some pie, and then that's what I'm cutting out right now, is this piece. Alright, so how plasma works is that you have an electrical energy pushed by air, compressed air. And it works like butter. Get my gloves on. To make a really nice cut, usually what you get is another piece of steel or something else to go against. Have your gun go against, so you make a nice straight line. Look at that right there. And look at that. Nice cuts. It's beautiful. And your steel doesn't get as hot because it does the job a lot faster. Pretty. So now we got to bend this in a nice pretty circle. Alright. To run this kind of wire, this is non-flux cord stuff. Straight welding wire. You got carbon dioxide inert gas mix. Run it about 15 psi. Okay, important parts, ground. And your trigger. What happens is your trigger, you hit the trigger and there's a wheel that spins inside feeding out wire. The dials in the front say how hot the electricity is going to be and how fast that wire is going to come out. You always have to adjust depending on thickness of steel. Get a nice close look over there. All right. See that right there? That's real pretty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld it to the other pipe, and then we're going to flare the insides so it fits tight and makes a nice seal.
Go interchange it.
Alright, when it comes to welding, you want your surfaces to be clean, otherwise you'll have a poor weld porosity. Alright, what I'm doing here is I'm stitch welding from the thicker gauge material into the thinner stuff so it blends easier and you don't have any puncture throughs or meltdowns or shit storms. Get some close in action on this motherfucker.
Cuts.
Ready for the whole pipe? Now that that's done, I'm going to pass the heat on the inside, as you can tell, just to make a smooth surface so that, you know, there's no flow issues. Well, you might have to relocate. I'm going to do the same thing here, just going to switch welds to keep everything nice and controlled. So, check it out. See, now you got a nice smooth surface. It's gonna have some nice flow. Now we're gonna curve this into it so it fits really nicely into the other pipe. Eric's gonna get on torches. He's gonna be a torch operator. Hey Luke, gonna be a pipe holder? Like, we're gonna get it hot.
We're gonna weld the rub.
I can see the diamond in the rust. Weld the rub.
Fucking really welder it.
Alright, what we're doing is we're gonna have the vice grips. He's gonna heat it up real hot, and I'm gonna curl it over. Just the tip. No, stay right on the ridge. Move quick, move quick. Bang!
Right with this.
Oh, it's pretty dirty in there.
Oh fuck. With the glove.
Oh fuck, what?
Good footage. So it's gonna be around like that, right?
Yeah.
Right about there.
The part we just concaved is gonna fit right into this piece real nice. And then Eric can say, a fucking kick-ass guy made him a kick-ass job. Alright, well, that's the end of the job. I'll catch you guys in the next video. 40s. I'll get the TIG welder, I don't know, in a few weeks or so. Alright guys, back in the garage with Danny boy. Thumbs up for war amps. Those guys are good shit. Alright, well, son of a bitch. I got some good news. You guys know JP and Luke? Well, their dad's gonna hook me up. He's gonna fix my head on my big block. I got a brand new head. Those Pro Comp heads are garbage. But I'm gonna use them anyway. Just because. Alright. There's a Pro Comp aluminum head right there. And the problem is right here. Fuck, this camera doesn't zoom very good. But, okay, right here there was a Healy coil in there. And the Healy coil, well, the first pass they made with the tap, I don't know, there was like a second fucking groove. It's like they passed twice and they made a second groove, and the Healy coil went in all crooked. I tried to put another one, it's fucked up. There's the pretty big block. She got the pop-up pistons. She beautiful. Got the notches in the side there for better flow. Yep, it's all brand new. So we're gonna get that fixed. We're gonna clean up the rest of the parts bucket for it. And I'm slapping her together. Dan's got a boner.
I do.
He's got a Bonosaurus Rex.
We gotta put this in my truck.
Alright, more updates on the big block.